Need to update your shipping destination on AliExpress? Here's a quick guide to show you how. First, open the AliExpress app. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the settings menu. From the list of options, find and select Ship To. Here, you can update your shipping destination by selecting a different country or region. Once you've chosen your preferred destination, the app will save your changes automatically. Now, all prices and shipping options will be displayed based on the new location. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shipping destination. Don't forget to double-check the address during checkout to avoid any delivery issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.